How to fix Wi-Fi problems on Mac. Here is a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue when your Wi-Fi won't connect to your MacBook. So let's get started. First of all, check Wi-Fi connections on other devices. First, confirm if other devices such as smartphone, tablet, and other laptop can connect to the Wi-Fi network. If other devices also have issues, the problem might be with the Wi-Fi router or ISP. If only your Mac is having issue, then continue these steps. Now first of all, tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on the System Settings. Once inside System Settings, go to the Wi-Fi. Then once inside Wi-Fi, toggle off and on the Wi-Fi switch. Then once done so, you can also simply forgot password option available there and enter the password again for the Wi-Fi you feel that is not being connected to. Now after doing this, again tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen, and from the options available there, tap on the restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues in your Mac, and restart it after 10 to 15 seconds. Now once all of these are done, simply tap on the Apple icon again at the top left corner of your screen. Then from the options available there, simply tap on the System Settings. Inside System Settings, tap on the General option available there, then tap on the Software Update. Outdated macOS can cause connectivity issues, so ensure that you are running the latest software. If there is an Update Now option available, simply tap on it and update it to the latest version. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.